some verses from the Bible that God says about each one of us. God says, I know everything about you. I know when you sit down and when you rise up. I'm familiar with all your ways. Even the very hairs on your head are numbered, for you are made in my image. In me you live and move and have your being. You're my children. I chose you and I planned creation. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. I knit you together in your mother's womb, and I brought you forth on the day you were born. And it's my desire to lavish my love upon you, simply because you're my child and I am your perfect parent. I love you more than any earthly parent ever could. Every good gift you receive comes from my hand. My plan for your future will always be filled with hope, because I love you with an everlasting love, and will rejoice over you with singing. You are my treasured possession, and I am your great encourager. I am your heavenly Father who comforts you in all your troubles, and I'm close to you even when you're broken-hearted. As a shepherd carries a lamb, I will carry you close to my heart, and one day I will wipe away every tear from your eyes.